Saris are without a doubt the most versatile pieces in our wardrobe. That said, when it comes to sheer net or tissue saris, the level of difficulty seems to go up a notch. We're here with some easy tips to ensure smooth sailing on the sari front. When it comes to sheer saris, the petticoat is always under the spotlight. Make sure to pick a smooth silk or satin petticoat of a similar color to go with the net or tissue sari. The texture of satin will allow the net to flow over it smoothly and give a stylish sheen to your look. Any extra fabric or folds will show evidently under the sari, making your drape look clumsy. So make sure you pick a well-fitted fishtail petticoat to avoid any clumsy folds. Washing a net sari at home could be doing more harm than good. It's always better to leave it to the professionals to get our tissue saris clean and fresh. When it comes to storing these beauties, avoid piling on heavy saris on top of your delicate saris or hang them in closets for too long. This might cause unshapely creases or tears on your fragile fabrics. Net, organza or tissue are very delicate, more so if they have embellishments. While the sheer fabric is what gives the sari its unique look, it can make it tricky to drape the saris. Adding 2 small beads to the safety pin on each end can restrict the movement of the fabric along the pin and in turn protect your sari from any tears. If you want the sheer elegance of a net or tissue sari, but want to skip the draping and pinning of the delicate fabric, this style trick is just for you. All you need is a plain sari that's easy to drape and a sheer dupatta in the same color family. Folding your sari in half will ensure that it ends at 3 to 4 pleats. Pull your dupatta from under the pleats and tuck it in with the rest of the fabric. Your sheer dupatta transforms into the pallu of your sari, giving you the look of a chic sheer sari, minus the draping hassles. Net saris are as beautiful as they are tricky. One wrong step will end up in the sharp sound of a tear and a lifetime of embarrassment. Pick a petticoat with the lace as a border. Now instead of letting your sari graze the floor, tuck some more fabric inside, letting the lace of the petticoat be seen. This trick will not only add a stylist-approved touch to your look, but will also make sure your sari doesn't tear or get damaged while you're making a fashionable strap. While wearing a sheer net sari is all about making a bold statement, if you're new to the sheer sari game, here's how you can make a stylish yet conventional statement. Gathering the sheer fabric in pleats close to where you want coverage will add the modesty you are looking for. A pleated pallu will layer up and create some opacity over your upper body, making you feel much more comfortable in your net sari. However, if you like your pallu to be flowy, draped over your arm, a boat neck blouse can also do the trick. Use these simple tips to ease into wearing your net, organza or tissue saris, and you'll be pulling these sheer beauties off in no time. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.